All right, guys, I just scored a really badass Facebook Marketplace post. Let me tell you the bad real quick. I just missed out on like a giant freaking lot of Super Nintendo and regular Nintendo games for 1,300, but they sold it to somebody else. But I did get everything you see here for 450. I initially thought I was going to pay 750, but the deal changed. But hey, really good deal. Here's the video games. 100 bucks for all the video games. It's a little under 100 of them, but dollar a piece, you can't go wrong. But the toys were 350, and right off the bat there's a vintage April O'Neil Ninja Turtles 1988. I don't know if there's any other originals, but that's over 100 bucks, guys, on card. So everything else is basically gravy, and there looks to be a lot of really cool shit. There's Galaga, just a bunch of, like, there's some Friday the 13th, there is Halloween, there are Gargoyles, sealed board games. There's a sealed Zelda, that's 50 bucks. There's the Friday the 13th. And then I don't know. If we find more vintage Ninja Turtles, that'll be great. If not, we'll still make money. Looks like it's going to be at least a 4Xer, hopefully more. But just give you a little idea. I will show more details and I will post comps. This looks like a remake, too clean. But even these remakes can sell for 20 to 30. That's a 2023 figure. I don't see anything like really old there, but overall, hell of a deal. This is a crazy setup by my associate here, and she set this up for me. I don't know why. I mean, I feel like I don't want to tear it down. We should sell it, right? But anyways, it's set up to where I can show you everything. Everything on the top table here is pretty much like everything I'm going to post on eBay, Mercari, stuff like that. Everything else, which is still, there's a lot of 20, 30, $40 pieces here. There's $10 pieces. All this is going on Whatnot, guys. At least, I would say 70 pieces. There's a lot of those Ninja Turtles are 30 bucks. I mean, there's so many of these Tiger games, these NECA figures, these WWE Elites. You got Halo, you got lots of Star Wars and stuff like that. But some of the big dogs here, we got one vintage April O'Neil. Holy shit, I didn't believe there was going to be any vintage. That's a 1988 piece, and it's worth about $125-ish. There was also one other 1991. I think it's that one, but I don't know from here, because they did remake these exactly the same, basically, with different dates. But I think that was a 91. It was like $40 or $50. If it's not that one, it's here somewhere. These are like GameStop exclusive. They're like $40 each, 30, 40. That Lego set's good. I mean, that's like 60 bucks, 70 bucks. That alone there, that Mortal Kombat, 60, 70 bucks. This was a surprise. I was going to keep it until I found out it was 100 bucks plus. So the Contra, you got the Jaws figure. A lot of these are $30. Even that damn plug and play Power Rangers, 30 bucks. The Halloween's $30, $40 ish. The Simpsons, $30. These were a surprise. And this is, let me bring up some more, guys. I was talking about it earlier. They tried to cheat me out of the board games. So I texted them and they said, oh yeah, we forgot them in the closet. Yeah, right. But turns out that this is 50. This is 70 bucks, the Ninja Turtle, 70 to 80. It's brand new, it's never been opened, but the cards slip, so hopefully we can get those to slip back. And this was a big surprise. This was like $30, $35. It's a retro edition of the Payday game. And even this, guys, it was afterthought, but I was like, look it up. 30 bucks. So there's some more board games. So yeah, there's a lot of money here. I would think there's at least $2,000 here. I haven't done the math, but I paid $350 for the toys. So I feel really good about that. $450 total for everything with those video games. So pretty damn cool. Let me know what you think. If you see something you want, you better get at me quick, or come check me out on Whatnot. Links will be in the comments. Check y'all later.